Yeah, this is Mohamed Ansar from FAHI-Q Innovation. I work here as a sales head for Pan India. And FAHI-Q Innovation is a brand. We started it at about 5 years before, and we have in the market for last 5 years sold around 195 machines all over India. So in Kolkata we have sold around 25 machines, and Tirupur and Ludhiana we sold more than Kolkata. And this is a fully automatic screen printing machine. Comparatively, with earlier days, people used to go for imported machines for this kind of printing machines. But for the past 5 years, people are choosing us because of the quality service we provide and the quality machine we made. And also the after-sales service support is also very eco-friendly for all the customers. So people, once they buy from us, they repeatedly buying from repeatedly going for our machine only. Normally, in Kolkata, we have 2-3 customers who already bought 3 machines from us. So in Tirupur and Ludhiana also, we got existing customers, more number of existing customers.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कोलकाता या वेस्ट बंगाल इस इंडस्ट्री में आपका मशीन या आपका काम का ज़्यादा डिमांड है या कम?
ज़्यादा डिमांड है एक्चुअली। पूरा इंडिया करके आप सोचेगा तो तिरुपुर लुधियाना का नेक्स्ट है। कोलकाता मार्केट गारमेंट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा मार्केट था। लास्ट 2 साल तक थोड़ा मार्केट कुछ ख़राब था। अभी ये साल का तो पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट ज़्यादा आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स ज़्यादा आया था हमके लिए। So hopefully we are waiting for a good market in the upcoming year. Kolkata market will be getting good for the upcoming year.
Okay, what are you? This is an exhibition. So
Yeah.
I believe this is not your first time in this exhibition.
No, last year also we participated in this.
So what are the good things that you have got from this exhibition? Like आपकी जैसा जो business है, बाकी लोगों का जो brands है, आपको क्या लगता है उन लोगों को अच्छा मिल रहा है, like अच्छा profit मिल रहा है due to this exhibition?
Yes, absolutely. That's why we once again participated in this exhibition. Last time we got an enormous response from the customers, and earlier we had some 2-3 customers only. Before the exhibitions we have 2-3 customers with repeated machines. But after the exhibitions we got expanded around 12 to 15 machines in Kolkata. So hopefully this year also we will be getting 15 to 20 machines ordered for this complete year.
So guys, scan our code and search our Instagram page, YouTube page, and please do subscribe and follow those, and please subscribe, share and like our page so that you get all the new updates about this industry and new trends. Thank you guys.